I know it's been a minute, but right now it's gonna be a little baby vlog. Last week, Junior and I already lowered the front of the vehicle. I didn't record much. Just because I don't feel like recording all that process. And by the way, it took us a few hours just because obviously this is the first time Junior and I have worked on lowering at 5.0. Right now, we're gonna lower the rear. And like I said, this is not gonna be detailed at all. It's just gonna be clips here and there of just us doing dumb stuff. And we've already lowered, well not lowered, we already took off the bolts on each shock and the rears. We already lowered the bar right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this right here. We're gonna install these lowering springs and the bar right here, which you guys can't really see, but we're gonna have to take it off, measure the stock one against the new one, and basically, yeah, that's it. I mean, just gonna be working on this, showing a few clips here and there. So let's get to it. All right, Junior, so what you gonna do? Okay, watch out, bro. I'm gonna be right here next to this brick. Bro, watch that spring just come out and truck you. Oh, I hate this part. All right, close it. Yeah. Uh-oh. We good. Okay, bet. Bro, if you guys don't know, look, there's two things that scare me. Rats, mice, mouse, whatever the fuck, and lowering a car, because I just hate, like I've seen videos where the springs come out and just full on look like bullets, man. Yeah. So definitely, I don't like lowering the car. I've done it many times. I've done it two times on this Mustang, one time on another Mustang, and obviously doing this. So I hate that part. But all right, let's get to the next thing. All right, first spring out. This spring. Actually, let's compare real quick. So this is stock. The black one is a stock. Blue one is aftermarket.
So they're not made for lowering like that much, because they're the Cobra jets. Gonna be the drag ones.
By the way, Junior used to have a 2-valve, but he went against our brother and he got a 5.0, which I don't blame him, to be honest. I drove that thing. Ooh, it's been a minute since I drove a manual. That thing drives amazing.
But yeah, they're the 2013 drag springs for the Cobra jets that fit S197s.
All right, let's put this back on. Well, let's put the blue one on. Hell yeah, you got that shit out. Master Mechanic, you already know what I'll be about. Yer.
Just
what that is.
Panhard bar from BMR.
And we're gonna stick that up. Where?
What?
Where?
What?
Alright, we're gonna have to use them, the impact. Like that, boys. Y'all listen from then. Alright, this is how you take out the panhard bar. Mechanic. Alright, homie, so stock one, aftermarket one. And you can most definitely tell, you know, the difference in weight. Now what we have to do is we have to align them together,
make them a little short,
and yeah, basically line them up and make sure that they're at the correct height. So we'll get to that. All right, panhard bar is in.
all we gotta do is adjust it now.
Yes, sir. Springs are in full effect. Bar is in. Now it's just time to tighten everything up, put the wheels back on, and obviously lower the car, and we'll see how it looks. Now, I didn't take no before and after videos, obviously. I mean, I didn't take any before videos, but I do have photos of Junior's car, so we're just gonna add that in, and I'll add some after photos so you guys can see the whole drop from the car. This thing's gonna look pretty dope.
Damn.
Dang, guys, what if I got a 5.0? Nah, I can't do that. Alright, so a lot of people give me shit for driving auto, so let me show you the master of manual. I go. God damn, boy, you put that hoe back in the back seat. I did. Hold on, before I put this bitch in. Cause you said this is first. Hold on. How the fuck you short?
You gonna take off in reverse?
Hold on. Hold on, Junior. Okay, we good. I'm gonna take off in third. There you go. Yeah, let's get it. Damn.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn, this whole feels so smooth. Alright, buddy, so we're done with the car here. It took us a couple hours to do the front and the rear all together, but honestly, it wasn't that hard. The 5.0 came out looking super clean, man. Now it's low. It dropped what, like 1.5 inches, right?
Yeah.
Man.
1.5 too.
Now I just can't wait to see this in photos and especially at the track. But thank you guys for watching. If you like more of this content with like the mini vlogs and like just dumb clips added on, let me know. I can easily do that. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.